Hello everyone, welcome to Transportation Engineering Laboratory. Now we will see soundness test of aggregate. This test is used to determine the resistance of aggregate to disintegrate by saturated solutions of sodium sulfate or magnesium sulfate.
Scope: to determine the durability of aggregate to weathering action and to judge the durability of the coarse aggregate. This test is specified in IS 2386 Part 5. Apparatus required: anhydrous sodium sulfate, a wire basket, a container, weighing balance, IS sieves of size 20 mm, 12.5 mm, 10 mm and 4.75 mm. Observation table. Test procedure: preparation of test sample. The test sample shall be of such a size that it will yield not less than the following amounts of different sizes, which shall be available at amount of 5% or more. First, wash the coarse aggregate through 4.75 mm IS sieve and dry the material retained on the sieve in an oven maintained at a temperature of 105 to 110 degrees Celsius till it attains a constant mass, and then sieve the dried sample to separate it into different size fractions using sieves of sizes 20 mm, 12.5 mm, 10 mm and 4.75 mm sieves. Saturated solution of sodium sulfate is prepared by dissolving 350 grams of anhydrous sodium sulfate salt in 1 liter of water. Stir the solution thoroughly during the addition of salt and at frequent intervals until used. Solution to be cool at room temperature of 20 to 27 degrees Celsius and maintained at that temperature for at least 48 hours before use. Sieve the dried sample to separate it into different size fractions. Take individual samples in a wire mesh basket and immerse it in the solution of sodium sulfate for not less than 16 hours nor more than 18 hours in such a manner that the solution covers them to a depth of at least 15 mm. After the immersion period, aggregate shall be removed from the solution, permitted to drain for 15 minutes and dried to constant weight in oven at a temperature of 105 to 110 degrees Celsius. The test sample shall be allowed to cool at room temperature and again immerse in the prepared solution of sodium sulfate. The process of alternate immersion and drying shall be repeated until the specified number of cycles is achieved. After the completion of the final cycle and after the sample has been cooled, wash it to free from sodium sulfate or magnesium sulfate solution. After the sodium sulfate solution has been removed, each fraction of the sample shall be dried to constant weight at 105 degree to 110 degree Celsius. Sieve the fine aggregate over the same sieve on which it was retained before test and coarse aggregate over the sieve shown below for the appropriate size of particle. Observation and calculations. The sample passing 20 mm and retained on 10 mm ISU. The weight of sample before the test 300 gram. The weight of the sample after the test retained on sieve 287.5 gram. The sample passing through 10 mm and retained on 4.75 mm. The weight of sample before test W1 is 300 gram and after test W2 is 290 gram. The average of percentage loss is 5.83%. Permissible limit not more than 12% if sodium sulfate is used and not more than 18% if magnesium sulfate is used.